Penalty to Fiji. Well, that's a great, beautiful play from the interplay from the Fijian players, forwards and backs here. Matthew, quick tap. Oh, that's a try there. And again, kick is wide. 50 throw in, caught by Fiji. Quick ball to the hooker, taken up strongly by the centres. Quick ball again for the tight forwards, rumbling it up for Fiji.
Okay, move ball.
Volley ready to clear the ball. Out to Ikanaveri, who takes it up strongly again. Randra joins the forwards.
Advantage.
Fiji camp 5 meters from the try line again. Pick and go by the Fijian forwards.
Playing advantage. Offside.
Randra